Replacing 400-watt metal halide fixtures with fluorescent fixtures on an existing 30-amp, 277-volt circuit requires careful consideration of the National Electrical Code. Specifically, you cannot directly swap out the metal halide fixtures without addressing the overcurrent protection. NEC 210.23b governs the permissible load on branch circuits, including those serving cord and plug-connected luminaires. This section doesn't provide a special exemption for fluorescent fixtures. Instead, it applies to all types of luminaires, including both incandescent and fluorescent. NEC 410.30c addresses the installation of luminaires, and it is applicable here since the fluorescent fixtures use a screw base, distinguishing them from mogul base lamps. To determine the maximum permissible wattage for cord and plug-connected luminaires on a 30-amp circuit operating at 277 volts, you need to perform a calculation. The formula is voltage times amperage times a factor of 0.8. This 0.8 factor is used because circuits shouldn't be loaded at 100% of their capacity for a continuous load. This means 277 volts multiplied by 30 amps multiplied by 0.8 equals 6,624 watts. Now consider the existing metal halide fixtures. With 400 fixtures, each consuming 400 watts, the total wattage amounts to 160,000 watts. This significantly exceeds the maximum wattage of 6,624 watts allowed on a 30-amp circuit, calculated using the 0.8 factor. Therefore, simply replacing the metal halide fixtures with fluorescent fixtures without addressing the overcurrent protection violates NEC 210.23b imposes a safety hazard. Before retrofitting the fixtures, it is essential to replace the 30-amp circuit breaker with one of a lower ampacity to comply with the code and ensure safe operation of the circuit. The lower ampacity ensures the circuit is properly protected for the new, lower wattage fluorescent fixtures. Failure to do so could result in overloading the circuit, potentially leading to overheating, fire, or other electrical hazards. It's crucial to prioritize safety and adhere to the National Electrical Code guidelines when making changes to electrical installations.